Taloha! Today we're going to be reading at the zoo. Think about the animals that you might see at the zoo, and we'll see if they're in our book today. First we have a liona, a lion. What sound does that liona make? Can you make a liona sound? Lele tele. Next we have a manuki. Can you do a manuki sound? Lele tele. Next we have a taika. A taika has stripes. This is a big animal. It's the elefante. Elefante. This animal is from Australia. It is the kangaroo. Kangaroo. Do you know what this is called? It's the Solophenua tusi. Solophenua tusi. And look, we have another Australian animal. It's the koala. Koala. This is called the hippo. Hippo. Can you say hippo? Lele tele. Next is the bear. Bear. Ooh. Can you do the sound like this? This is the ngata. Can you make a sound like a ngata? That's the sound of the ngata. Here we have the seraphi. The seraphi. And last is a pili. Pili is a lizard. Did you know all the animals that we saw at the zoo?